Welcome to the ocean, dive on down. The mermaids are waiting all around. Grab your tail and swim with me in our underwater school beneath the sea. Splash, splash, wiggle your tail, swimming like a mermaid, never fail. Left and right, swish, 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 moving through the water like a fish. Breathe the bubbles, blow, blow, blow. Watch them rise up nice and slow. In and out, that's the way. Bubble breathing every day. Kick, kick, kick like dolphins do. Up and down and through and through. Point your toes and make a splash. Zoom around real super fast. Float like a starfish, arms out wide. Relax and rest, enjoy the ride. Belly up toward the light, floating gentle, feeling right. Dive, dive down to find the treasure. Swimming deep is so much pleasure. Hold your breath and touch the sand. Grab a shell with your hand. Wiggle like an octopus, 8 arms go. Wave them high and wave them low. Squiggle, squaggle, twist and turn. So many moves for us to learn. Swim like a shark, do 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 do. Flying on top is what we do. Strong and brave, we're not afraid. Through the ocean, parade, parade. Slow and steady like a turtle friend. Gliding smooth around the bend. Flippers moving nice and calm. Peaceful swimming is the charm. Float and wiggle, jellyfish style, swaying gently all the while. Up and down like waves we go, moving with the ocean flow. Twirl around like seahorses, spin round and round with a great big grin. Hold your tail and twist about. That's what swimming's all about. Jump up high like whales that leap out of water, oh so deep. Make a splash, the biggest yet, getting everyone all wet. Now we've learned to swim so well, every move and every swell. Mermaid school is so much fun. Our swimming lessons now are done. Swimming school was awesome today. We learned to swim the mermaid way. Come back soon, don't be late. Our